care au comis crime grave rămân somități, se plimbă pe strade, în loc de a-și petrece viața la pușcărie. Ignoranții și proștii devin administratori ai statului român. Așa deci, greșelile în politică sunt crime, căci în urma lor suferă milioane de oameni, se împiedică dezvoltarea unei țări întregi și se împiedică pe 10 de ani înainte viitorul ei. Hoții! 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 Hoții!
You will not be able to stay home, brother. You will not be able to plug in, turn on, and cop out. You will not be able to lose yourself on Skag and skip out for beer during commercials because the revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be brought to you by Xerox in 4 parts without commercial interruptions. The revolution will not give your mouth sex appeal. The revolution will not get rid of the nubs. The revolution will not make you look 5 pounds thinner. The revolution will not be televised, brother. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be right back after a message about a white tornado, white lightning, or white people. You will not have to worry about a dove in your bedroom, the tiger in your tank, or the giant in your toilet bowl. The revolution will not go better with coke. The revolution will not fight germs that may cause bad breath. The revolution will put you in the driver's seat. The revolution will not be televised, will not be televised, not be televised. The revolution will be no rerun, brothers. The revolution will be live.